What's up, everybody, and happy Wednesday. Welcome to Cooking with the Blacks Live. We are the Blacks. I'm Chef Blythe, and this is my very goofy husband, Chef Nathan.
Hold on.
So, I don't know if you're aware of this, but it's hot outside. It's real hot. Like, it is hot. And I know that Texas isn't even into the summer yet, but it feels like summer. And I was talking to Nathan about food that you want to eat in the summer that is good and good for you, but it's light and refreshing, and it's not going to just murder your appetite because it's so hot outside.
Right.
Like, I'm not sure I'd want like a hot bowl of chili right now.
No.
Or like beef stew.
No.
But you know what I would want?
What's that?
Triple melon salad!
Ooh,
Yes! Let's start with a watermelon. Now, we've talked about this several times about how to know to pick the best watermelon. This is one of those cases that looks can be deceiving. You absolutely do not want the prettiest melon, right? You do not want the prettiest watermelon. Like, ooh, look how perfect it is. Perfection is crap. Keep moving, right? You want this like field mark right here where it's light and then green. And see this right here? That is telling you that it spent time in the sun and on the field and it's going to be delicious. It means that it's been nutritious and it's watered and it's going to be plump and delicious.
Yep.
So whenever you see the beautiful watermelons that can be on TV, pass on by. You definitely want the ugly one for this one. Okay, are you going to cut that in half? Now, there's several ways you can cut a melon, but when you're using a watermelon, okay, be careful. Oh my gosh, look at this. Look at this. This is absolutely beautiful. So Nathan's gonna cut, you're gonna cut, you want me to ball and you can cut? Oh, you're gonna ball? Okay, so you go ahead and get a melon baller. This is a great activity for kids to do if you want to get them cooking with you in the kitchen. It's so fun. Who doesn't want to use a melon baller to scoop a bunch of melon out? It's fun, it's delicious, it's nutritious, and you can have fun like with your kids, having this great food, this great salad. And like I said, the whole family can get involved. You having fun over there?
I'm having fun.
Oh my god. If you don't have a melon baller, it's fine. You can use a spoon and make sort of a different shape. You can also dice it and cut it. You don't have to. You can peel it and cut it. You don't have to use a melon baller. But as you can see, it's lots of fun and it makes the salad a very fun shape. Okay, I think that's good on the watermelon.
Mm-hmm.
Now, if you were back in college, you could definitely fill this up with vodka. Oh wait, wrong show. Okay, now we're gonna get a honeydew. Now this one's a little bit different because this one has seeds in it, or it's got those seeds right in the center of it. So you can either cut it in half and go around the seeds, or you can peel it. Which one are you gonna do?
Cut it in half.
All right, go for it. Now I love honeydew. Not everybody loves it because it definitely has a unique taste. But see, you can see these seeds around there. You can peel the whole honeydew. Then you don't have to deal with the seeds, or you can do what Nathan's doing, just go around the seeds. We've also found like Nathan has a gorgeous garden and he has a fabulous compost pile, and I think that those seeds in the compost pile are amazing, right?
Yep.
Like I know that you always like to use those. Oh my gosh, this is so fun! And again, anything you don't use, you can chop it up, put it in another salad, have it.
That's good. Juice is good.
Okay, we did not plan that or discuss that. I mean,
how about drink out of that?
Is it so good?
Yeah, you want to drink out of that?
I mean, maybe some wine. Okay, and now we've got our cantaloupe. Now this is a Tuscan cantaloupe, but you can get all sort of different kinds of cantaloupe. This is one of my favorite fruits as well. Favorite watermelon, then cantaloupe. Hello, we're in the, okay, all right, we've lost him to the melon ball.
How to even it out.
Okay, so you want to cut that one out. Again, you can peel this one, but oh, look at that. Again, you never want to go with the prettiest ones. You want to go the ones that have seen they've seen the fields, they've seen the dirt, right? And then you know that they're going to be so good. Melons are one of the best things that you can eat. They're so full of water, they're full of vitamins, and they are full of nutrients. So if you want a way to eat something good and cool down, fresh fruit is the way to go. Especially 'tis the season of the melon. Okay, we're working here. This is not sample time.
Almost my favorite, so
I mean, I guess so.
I had a sample.
All right, that's fair. That's part of working in the kitchen. You get to taste everything. You got it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now, have you evened it out the way you want it? Oh my god. Okay. All right. You gotta make sure.
Right. Ooh,
Beautiful.
all that juice.
Okay. Again, we're working right now. It's not really.
Good.
Okay. All right. So look at this. Nathan has created these gorgeous melon balls. Absolutely beautiful. And you could just leave it at that, and that would be call it a day. Or you could skewer it and be very fancy. But you know it wouldn't be us if we did not sort of take it to the next level. And what do we always do in everything? We season. And what do we always season with?
Kosher
salt. So we're going to just put a little bit of kosher salt on here. Salt's whole job is to bring out the flavor. Whatever flavor you got going, it's going to enhance that, right?
Yeah.
So you've got this delicious fruit, you just sort of want to enhance that. Now, what's the other thing that we always talk about? Whenever we talk about salt, we always talk about adding acid, right? Acid is what makes it dance. The salt and the acid on your tongue is what dance. That's how you know it's a party, right? So we're going to take a lime and we're going to zest the outside of the lime. Right? That is a concentrated flavor. Oh, adding the zest to anything gives you sort of that concentrated flavor that you're looking for and really brings out the flavor. Okay,
It smells delicious.
It does, and it smells so bright and so fabulous. It smells like summer. I wish I had some tequila and
I want to stick these in the freezer.
That's a great idea, though.
Yeah.
Well, we'll freeze because that's a great idea.
Would you drop them in some juice?
You could, or you could drop them into a little bit of alcohol mixed with water, and you can make adult style like popsicles.
Yeah, sounds good.
I mean, who doesn't love that? That's a great idea. Absolutely could freeze these because they're all water. Okay, and just like we talked about, we're gonna season, right? Just a little bit of acid. You don't have to put it all in there. And listen, you don't have to do this at all, but I think it adds that flavor. It makes the melon even better. And you can see by the colors of these melons that they are bright and delicious. Okay, wouldn't be us if we didn't have a pork product in here. Prosciutto is one of the best ingredients you can ever use. It's one you can heat up, you can serve just like out of the package. I think it goes so. Cantaloupe and prosciutto is my favorite thing in the world. Nathan will make me cantaloupe and prosciutto salads in the morning. I know he hates to do it because it's a lot of work, but he loves me, and it's my favorite thing. When you wrap the prosciutto around the cantaloupe, put a little basil leaf in there. Yes, please. Yes.
Sign me up.
You're the one that does it. Consider yourself already signed.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to take this and we're just going to kind of dice this. Well, not dice it. We're sort of going to julienne it. Oh my gosh. I'm shocked you're not sampling that.
No.
Oh, you're going to wait? Okay. And this is all natural prosciutto, which means it literally is the pork and it's salt, and that is it. We didn't get one with like added sugar in there. But get whatever you want. If you want pepperoni, if you want some ham in there, little smoked turkey would be delicious. Or leave the meat out completely, right? It doesn't even matter. Oh my gosh, this is so good. This is so good. Oh, you already taste it? Oh, okay. I know, I've been hanging out with you too long. Okay.
Delicious.
You could also have bacon in there, which would be amazing too. As you know, bacon and fruit is everything. It wouldn't be us and it wouldn't be chefs if we didn't just take it to one last level. And what makes everything better between the salt, the acid, and the pork fat? Herbs. Herbs take anything you're making and they make it brighter and greener and just a little bit more fabulous. So we're going to take a little bit of this fresh mint and we're going to take a sharp knife, right? Whenever you're dealing with herbs, you want a sharp knife. And what's the one herb that we never cut? Basil. Never cut basil. Because no matter how sharp your knife is, you'll still bruise it. Okay, we're going to put a little bit of fresh mint in there. Now, you could also put fresh basil in there. That would be absolutely outstanding. Basil in this, you could add basil. Oh my god, I should have brought Fleur out here so y'all can see her.
Should've.
Oh my gosh, she is flourishing and she is fabulous. Okay, And then just to add a little bit of extra flavor, we're just gonna add a touch of olive oil in there. Gonna add a little bit of fat, a little umami, and it's just really gonna give you that great mouthfeel. Okay, we ready? We're gonna mix this all up. Look at this. Look at how beautiful that is. If that doesn't say summer,
Looks
I don't.
delicious.
I don't know what does. Oh, by the way, somebody asked us about Golden, our fish, the other day. Golden is fabulous. He is very large. He's a little bit of a bully, but he is thriving. So thank you for asking about Golden. He's amazing.
He's doing good.
Yeah, a little bit. You ready to taste this?
Yeah.
Yeah, you've been ready. You've been ready. Get a little bit of all of it. Oh, mint, prosciutto, olive oil, salt, season. Cheers. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, I am sorry.
That's not good.
That's not good at all, right?
No. That is delicious.
This is the perfect way to ball yourself in the summer. Melon balls, Nathan's right. You can absolutely put these in the freezer. You can put them on skewers. You could wrap each ball with prosciutto if you wanted to. Add basil. The other thing that I've seen people do with this, you can also add honey. But you know, in this house, we are honey free. So we did not do that. I don't think it needs it, but you certainly could do it. And if you don't want any herbs on there, forget about it. Right? You don't want the olive oil? Forget about it. You could also add a little bit of balsamic. It would be delicious as well.
Okay.
How is it?
I'm running towards it.
You're running towards the salad?
Yeah, so good.
It is so good and so fun. And again, this is a recipe that kids can sit in the kitchen and make with you. It would look fabulous if you brought us like a hostess present going over to a party. You know, we got 4th of July coming up, summer, Father's Day barbecues. This is the perfect salad.
Yes, it is.
If you wanted to add a little bit of cheese, feta would go very well in here. If you're into that, you could also add a little fresh mozzarella, but I think I love it. And if you're vegetarian or vegan, to hell with the prosciutto. Did I just say that? I did.
Yeah.
You love it?
That's how it goes. Yes.
We are gearing up for a very, very busy summer. That is so much part due to y'all. Thank you for reaching out to us. If you need us from anything from a backyard barbecue to Father's Day brunch to 4th of July party to those graduation parties, whatever you need, we are the chefs to go to for it. You can reach out to us at cookingwiththeblacks19@gmail.com or any of our socials. And be creative, because we get a lot of creative emails about, can we do this? Can we do that? Heck yeah! If you can crave it, we can make it. And we would love to be the ones that get to do it. We know there's a lot of chefs out there, but there's none that are the blacks. And we would love to get to cook for you, because every time we get to cook for you on your home, your boat, your ranch, your house, wherever you are, it is an honor. And we want to be the ones that get to do it for you. So please reach out and let us know. Summer in June looks a little bit crazy, but we can work during the week too. It's not just the weekends. So you go ahead and let us know. Thank you so much for all of the likes.
And love.
Thank you for all the sharing and the comments. Thank you for commenting when we're not around. We read it all. We miss you. And we always feel bad. Like, we think we're going to make it back in time, and then we just don't. And we don't want to do anything sort of... We want to do it the right way, and we don't want to rush anything. So the days that we can't be here, it's because we're working. But doesn't mean we don't love you. It doesn't mean that we're not thinking about you.
Absolutely.
Also, a big shout out to my brother Alex, who has been working on our YouTube page. Please go to YouTube. It's YouTube at Cooking with the Blacks. And make sure that you subscribe and like. That's your favorite line,
Yeah,
right?
make sure you come and check us out. It's fun.
Check us out and subscribe and like it. We are growing every single day, and we are so grateful for you, for all of your love and all of your support of us. We couldn't do this, wouldn't do it without you.